Collaborate in real time in SAP Analytics Cloud by adding comments to stories, widgets, and even data points. Comments can be added within the context of stories in a number of different ways. First things first though, ensure that under the display settings, comment mode is enabled. The first area to add comments is actually on the individual story pages themselves. In order to view comments on the story pages, first go to display and toggle on the tab bar. This will convert the story pages from being pages in a drop-down to being individual tabs. Then click on the down caret on a tab and add a comment. I can also add comments on any of the widgets within the story, including charts, text boxes. As long as it's a widget with a More Actions option, you can add a comment to it. In this case, I'm going to add it to this bar chart by finding More Options and then Add, and comment is nested under there. I now have two comment threads in this story, one here on the First Pages tab, and the other one over here on this bar chart. Each object that can have comment threads can have a total of 4 individual threads added to that object. Here I can add another comment thread. And now you can see that this object has 2 comment threads. Additionally, tables themselves can have individual data point comments. By right-clicking on a data cell in a table, you can find Add Data Point Comment, and then add comment threads right there. Data point comments are indicated by the little green corner icon in that individual cell. In comment threads, users can reply, like, and even mention other people using the @ symbol. Comments are a great way to initiate discussions about the objects and data within your stories.